Hi, my name is Kayo, and I'm originally from Japan, and I currently studying in the university in the UK for my master course in software engineering. I was looking for an internship because I wanted to have the opportunity to actually work on the new thing. I had just started studying my master program, and in addition, I wanted to know the situation in another country other than the UK, and what's the life is it like there. So I chose an internship in abroad. I developed the graphical user interface for sensing data from Arduino, and as you see, the data from Arduino display in real time. So I created this graphical user interface, acquiring the data every 1 second and displaying in real time. And there are mainly 3 features. And first one is displaying the data as a circular gauge, and second one is the user can set the threshold, and if the value goes larger than threshold, the color turns to red to alert the user something happened. And the last one is download the data from sensor data convert into the CSV. So after press the button on the upper side of the application, the data storing feature starting, and after that user push the download CSV button, user can downloading the CSV within organize the data and also put the timestamp when is the data is stored.
We can also monitor. This is the axis values in degrees.
Wow.
And this is the Cartesian position of the tool center point regarding to the robot base. This X and Y Z position, this is the orientation of the tool, where the tool is oriented again in degrees.
Thessaloniki was very nice for me. There were shops, restaurants, and tourist spots. Each other is not far away. So even though I did internship during the daytime, I could enjoy eating and shopping and visiting the tourist spot in the city at night. And the especially for me, the food was definitely nice here. So you can enjoy every kind of food and within nice price. And also on the weekend, I was able to join the bus tour, go on the day trip to famous place like Meteora or some historical place. And that was also nice experience in the internship here for me. And the city wasn't too crowded, so I was able to stay safety